So guys, now on our USD card, by the way, for the week, we can see that our USD itself has actually gotten to this our peak here, where it has actually been dropping. We can see a drop one, we can see another drop two, we can see another drop three, right? I still believe that this week, when our price open, we will be having this drop to take out this lows here. We saw this our previous place where our price pushes up. This is exactly where I believe our USD will be dropping. Let me drag it down a little bit. So when we see this, when it drops to this our lows, then I believe our price will actually push up again. That is on our USD. Let's see it on our DXY. We can see our DXY itself, right? We is all expecting a fall on our USD index, by the way. So when we get to this our push up, then push down, then if it is an uptrend, if we are to continue to go uptrend, then we would actually see a push up, taking out this our previous higher highs, even break above it and continue uptrend move. But if it is not, then we will see this push up and a fall again. So on our USD index, we would want to see a fall, then we can possibly take a buy to this our resistance level and see a fall again. So that would show on our USD to our card. We would also want to see a fall, right? Take out this loss, then actually a push up again to hit this our previous, will I say, high resistance level here. We can see where our price was rejecting. Then if it is an uptrend move, then we would continue to go bullish, continue to go up, higher highs and higher lows. But I believe that we will come down. We are still dropping, by the way. That should be at least, if our price open and you short our trade, that should be giving you about 85 pips, and you can still actually still come down to 91. So I'll say 85 to 91 pips. When our markets open, you will be able to grab it, because we are still on a dropping level. We are still dropping on our USD to our card before you can consider going bullish on our USD card. So on our 4-hour time frame, you can still see it a drop. On our 4-hour time frame, we are actually on an up downtrend. Saw a push up, you can see a pullback, failing to break this our previous higher highs. We saw a pullback again, we saw this retracement, and now our price has now broken this our previous lower lows, which is an indication that we're actually on a downward trend. So we should be looking to short this our trade, not to take our buy on our USD card. So that is my analysis for the week. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share.